This website sold for $250. It was a automatically coin tracker. This website was sold by $135. This was a marketplace for buy and selling businesses. And this one was sold for $201, and it was just a WordPress horse fan page. You see, I sell it again and again. Every time over $100. The funny part is, I sell all these websites with no paid traffic or SEO. This is the craziest method to make money on the internet. In today's video, I'll show you how you can generate your very first money on the internet without any traffic effort, guaranteed. I'll show you exactly how you can sell your websites with AI without any technical knowledge. I will also show you how you can use AI to directly address your competition with clever marketing strategies. From the creation of the domain to the right website ideas to the design and sale of a beautiful website. And if you keep paying attention, I'll give you a powerful trick on the way that quickly leads to automated passive income. I was looking for a new make money online method for beginners that efforts zero traffic. And oh boy, I was speechless about the website prices. Simple WordPress websites that sold for $500 with no traffic or audit. It's just a beginner website to start. And that, ladies and gentlemen, that's the plan. The first step in this journey is to find a profitable niche. You can't just build any website and expect it to sell. You need to do market research. One way to do this is by using tools like Google Trends or SEMrush to identify trending topics in industries. Another method is to consult ChatGPT for a list of profitable niches. Just ask the chatbot to generate a list of niches that are currently in demand, and you'll get a comprehensive list to choose from. Once you've picked a niche, the next step is to analyze the competition. Look for websites that are already doing well in your chosen niche. Study their design, content, and monetization strategies. This will give you insights into what works and what doesn't. After that, it's time to buy a domain. I recommend hosting with HostGator because they have a competent 24-hour service and are well-versed in the technical area. Get a shared hosting with a free domain name. ChatGPT helps you with naming. The relevance of the domain name is very important, but would simply go beyond the scope of this video. In the beginning, it is simply important to choose a domain name that fits the niche. Now comes the fun part, creating the website. You can use platforms like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace to build your site. If you're not a tech-savvy person, don't worry. There are plenty of tutorials and resources available online to guide you through the process. And if you want to speed things up, you can use AI tools to generate content, design elements, and even SEO strategies. Just ask ChatGPT to help you with these tasks, and you'll have a professional-looking website in no time. Before you sell the website, it's a good idea to monetize it first. This could be through affiliate marketing, ads, or selling digital products. A monetized website is more attractive to buyers as it's already generating income. But in today's example, we want to quickly get 10 times the profit from this website and therefore sell it as a beginner website. For our example, let's create a simple WordPress niche website and install Elementor. For the installation of WordPress on a domain, I mostly use the one-click express WordPress installation from HostGator. Add the website title and description and install. If WordPress has been successfully installed, we will install Elementor under plugins, and our website will be ready in less than 1 minute. To optimize texts on the website, you can ask ChatGPT and use free stock photos and videos on Pixabay or FreePic. unleash your creativity and convince your prospects to buy your niche website. A website is like an old car. The more you take care of it, the more expensive you can sell them. Create a suitable logo and a client email address that you can simply pass on after completion. Make it as easy as possible for clients. In my 2-year career as a website flipper Haber, I understood that highly optimized additional social media channels increase your income by a factor of 2. You don't have to have millions of followers, but a few posts and stories have to be inside. Once your website is up, running, and monetized, it's time to sell it. Platforms like Flippa, Empire Flippers, or even private brokers can help you find a buyer. Today, concentrating on the Flippa marketplace, as it is perfect for beginner websites clients. Make sure you all have a reputable and optimized profile on this platform when you are registered. Short texts show disinterest and you scare away your potential customers. As promised, here's a secret tip to 10x your revenue. Consider offering post-sale support or training to the new owner. This not only adds value to the sale, but also allows you to charge a premium price for your website. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to making money by selling websites. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Good luck, and may your websites sell like hotcakes.